Tonight, you're going to plant a desire into your subconscious so deeply that it keeps working for you while you sleep, while you dream, or even while you're not even trying. This is not about hoping. This is not about wishing either. This is about programming your inner world so powerfully that your outer world has no option but to reflect it back. And the technique you are about to use is one of the simplest but most underrated manifestation methods out there because it doesn't fight your mind. It works with your mind. It works with the strongest force inside you, your subconscious. This is the pillow method. And if you do it correctly, it doesn't just change your mood, it changes your reality. The pillow method is simple. You write your desire as if it has already happened. You charge it with emotion and then you place that script under your pillow before you sleep. And the reason it works so well is because sleep is not just rest. Sleep is when your subconscious takes over. Sleep is when your conscious mind stops arguing. Sleep is when your logical brain fully gets quiet. Most people try to manifest during the day when their mind is loud, busy, stressed, impatient. They affirm and then doubt. They visualize and then worry. They try and then obsess. And that's why they feel stuck. Because manifestation isn't about forcing, it's about allowing. And the pillow method is one of the best allowing techniques because it works when resistance is naturally low. And here's the part that makes this method extremely powerful. Right before you sleep, your brain starts shifting into calmer frequencies. Your mind slows down, your body relaxes, and your brain moves into alpha and then theta brain waves. And theta is the secret. Theta is the state where the subconscious becomes wide open. It's the state linked with deep imagination, deep suggestion, deep programming. It's the same state where beliefs can change faster. So when you do the pillow method at night, you're not just writing words, you're impressing your subconscious at the exact moment it is most receptive. That's why this method can feel like magic. But you need to understand something. Manifestation is not chasing your desire. Manifestation is not trying to convince reality. Manifestation is shifting what you believe is normal for you, what you accept, what you expect, what you assume will happen. Your subconscious mind is a program, and your life is the output of that program. If your subconscious is programmed with, I am not chosen, you'll experience rejection. If it's programmed with, money is hard, you'll experience struggle. If it's programmed with, love never works out for me, you'll keep reliving that pattern. Not because you are unlucky, not because reality mirrors your dominant beliefs. So the goal is not chasing your desire. The goal is making your desire feel natural, normal, already yours. And the pillow method helps you to do that because it combines scripting, repetition, emotion, and sleep into one powerful practice. Now let's get into how to do it correctly because most people do it like homework. They write something, throw it under the pillow, and then the next day they panic. They stalk. They check for signs. They ask, where is it? And that energy cancels everything. So here's the right way. First, decide what you want. One clear intention. Not 10 desires in one night. Not 20 different goals. Pick one. Because the subconscious loves clarity. And clarity creates power. Now take a notebook or even a simple sheet of paper and write your desire like it's already done. Not I want, not I hope. Write like you are living it. Write like it's already happened. Write from the version of you who already has it. If you are manifesting love, don't write, I want them to text me. Write, I feel so loved and secure because communication between us is constant and natural. If you are manifesting money, don't write, I need money. Instead, write, I'm so grateful that money flows to me easily and consistently. And keep it short, but emotionally rich. Because words without feeling are just words. Your subconscious does not respond to long paragraphs. It responds to emotion. So, as you write, slow down. Feel the relief. Feel the gratitude. Feel the satisfaction. Let your body feel what it would feel like if it were already true. Then fold that paper and place it under your pillow. And now, the most important part. Once you put it there, you don't start doubting. You don't grab your phone. You don't scroll. You don't check anything. Because you already decided it's done. Now close your eyes and imagine one small scene, just 5 to 10 seconds, that proves your desire is fulfilled. If it's a person, see their name on the phone with the message you've been waiting for. If it's money, see the balance and feel calm, proud, safe. If it's a job, see the email that says, congratulations, you are selected. And repeat that tiny scene gently until you fall asleep. Or if you don't like visualizing, repeat one simple affirmation in your mind. It's done. It's mine. I am chosen. Everything is working out for me. And fall asleep in certainty. That's it. Now you might ask, how many nights should I do it? 1 night can work. 3 nights can work. 7 nights can work. Some people do it for 21 nights. But here's the answer. Do it until the new story feels real, normal, automatic. Because techniques don't manifest. Your state manifests. And one more thing. After you script at night, don't contradict it in the morning. Don't go back to the old story. The old story created your current reality. The new story creates your next reality. And the biggest secret that makes this method work faster is detachment. Detachment doesn't mean not caring. Detachment means knowing. It means deciding it's yours without needing proof right now. Because if you already had it, you won't be desperate. You won't be checking all the time. You would be calm. And that calm certainty is what pulls manifestation in fast. So tonight, write it, feel it, place it under your pillow, and sleep like the version of you who already has everything they desire. Because that version of you is not coming in the future. That version already exists. You are simply choosing them now. If this helped you, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share this with someone who needs it. So this is your host Madhu signing off.